Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing a Dewalt battery maintainer on the 2022 RYKER. You'll need to use your battery maintainer charger if you're not going to ride your bike for a long period of time, or if you wanted to store it for the winter. There's two ways we can install the battery charger maintainer. We have the battery clamps for temporary connection, and then we have the ring terminals for permanent connection. Today we're going to install the permanent connection. We're going to begin by removing the hood. On your ring connector, you have a red that's positive and you have a black that's negative. You're going to move the red terminal cap back to expose the screw. As you can see, we removed the battery terminals. Okay, so what we're going to do is take the cable, attach the screw, and you're going to apply your black negative terminal underneath, and we're going to screw it right into the battery. We're going to apply the same procedure to the other side. Now I'm getting ready to tighten up the cables. So I am attaching the cable and zip tying it to the corner so it can stay in place. Tap it off and tuck it into the corner. Now we're going to put the hood back on. So I grabbed the Dewalt battery charger maintainer and we're getting ready to plug it in. And the other side into the power source. Okay. We're going to switch it to the 12-volt connection. As you can see, orange light signifies it's charging. Once it's fully charged, green light will then signify you when it's full and it's maintained. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for next time.